creative art for more ya de me dwen ho I can't think far. Yes, almost say yen kwatin sign petition bi. En kwatin sign ade bi ni ade na omo appeal nyina ne say creative arts creative industry of Ghana they are calling on President Akufo-Addo. So omo pardon Akuapem Poloo say image near one of creative license and it's not a criminal matter. Hey, abusia timokra I just say obi running home make say you creative you home. Ah, okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Pacho creative art for you why? Oh, it's in the chairman. You my trying about the tough go hey. When no can say yes, Sandra Kaku messign. Yes, me answer me messign. Yes, say Preslana my messign. Just say we are calling on all creative people. CMSI. I can't well be Kofiam Pedua or the incubating so say. Yeah, into the yate. Yate almost say a creative yate. Yate na me nkwa na Regine Suchire mu Akuapem Poloo ba no. I was said no therapy, which that one I agree because Akrani sir for near Koko so nice guy except any chief. Akrani was a pan. But in other news, now go for so social media. I don't know some person idea. I see you are blowing it out of proportion. You know what I'm saying? Social media for there go. Almost say I dey Akuapem Poloo oh abusuya. Ne mama wo ho extended family why yeah ejuma why savings like stop making it look like a comedy akra no. Oh, social media. Oko comment section ego na me dey boy. Me can read. Oko social media commenter. Ego they are trying to say y'all blowing out of proportion. I'm saying, but papa, me name me wo fe ya adwen. Was akra dey pe some therapy because my teacher say cause we on school ni ade which is very sad. Chale